Hi and welcome back to my channel Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to show you very quickly and easily how you can steal your competitor keywords, easy to rank obviously, and maybe rank with your content on the easy keywords your competitor is ranking on, stealing those positions in the SERP. In order to do this, you can use, for example, a tool like LowFruits. This is a very good keyword research tool that lets you find easy to rank a keyword, and as the name says, LowFruits keywords, and especially you can find the weak spots in SERP. So those positions where maybe someone is ranking but with a low authority site, a low domain rating site, so it's simpler for you to steal that position. I said you can use this tool, and I want to make a new video about LowFruits in the next days, because I see there are a lot of new things here. I think it's becoming one of the best keyword research tools available today, because if you watched my first video about LowFruits, and I will link it here, you can see now you have many more options here. For example, search intent, high intent, pre-purchase, post-purchase, comparison, and so on. But you also have a lot of new things here. But I will do a separate video for this. Why use, in this case, LowFruits? Because you can find for example, keywords like this. This is an example I'm taking from an old research, the same I did in my previous video. Yes, this is a very low volume keywords, but this is just an example to show you how you can use this tool, or maybe even don't use it and do this for free. But anyway, LowFruits has a very generous starting plan, because if I go here, you can subscribe and start with 10 free credits without a credit card. So you can start like this, and then you can buy credits later if you like it. So you will not spend anything. You just need to click here below my video. There's a link. It's my affiliate link. You will go here. You start by clicking here with 10 free credits, you check it out, and if you like it, you can buy credit packages, so you can even not have a subscription. If you prefer a subscription, here you have some options, monthly and annually. If you use a subscription, you have even more options inside this tool. Anyway, let's go again here. This is my example. Is December a good time to travel to Italy? As you can see here in this SERP, there are 2 weak spots, and are in position number 3 and in position number 10. This is a very old report, so I don't know if something has changed, but we will see now. Let me change my window here, my browser, and as you can see, I put this keyword here in Google. Is December a good time to travel to Italy? Now, you can install an extension for Google. It's the Keyword Anywhere extension. You will find these snippets here, but also you will see this data here below your Google positions, where you can see the domain authority, for example, and other data about the sites that are ranking. If I watch this SERP, I can see I have here in this position a site with a 25 domain authority. It's quite low, not very low, but quite low. Here I have one with 9, so this is a low authority site that is ranking here in this example. Let me see, 28 here, 53, 22, again quite low, 58, 86, 78. We have here at least 3 positions with quite low, 3 or 4 positions with quite low domain authority. So as long as you have a good site, maybe higher than 9 in domain authority, in this example, I will take this as a quick example, you have a chance to rank here. And it's quite the same thing we saw in LowFruits. In LowFruits you can find easily this kind of keywords. Anyway, you can also do it for free with an extension like this, like Keyword Anywhere, but you will need to check one by one all your keywords that you find elsewhere and see if you find weak spots. This is quite a weak spot in this case. So this is the site is ranking here. So I now copy this domain. It's let's pretend it's your competitor domain. Let's try to open the site. Okay, so I will take just this domain. Now let me change again my browser, because now I will use SE Ranking. SE Ranking is a great SEO tool. I made a video some weeks ago. You can find it here on my channel. Here in the video you can also find the link to that video. SE Ranking is another great tool because it's a comprehensive SEO tool where you can do keyword research, your keyword rankings with your projects, backlink checker, and competitive research. SE Ranking is very cheap. Here, if you click on the link below my video, you will reach this page. You can see in the plans and pricing, this is a very cheap tool. I suggest you to go here and at least activate your 14 days trial, because I think you will like this tool. You will like SEO Ranking. It's a cheaper option if you think about other tools, for example SEMrush or Ahrefs. And if you choose to check your rankings weekly, for example, you only pay 17 and some dollars monthly. Here you see euros, but it's quite the same in dollars. And if you pay, for example, annually, you will even pay less. Anyway, this is SE Ranking. Why I'm using SE Ranking? Because I need to insert here my competitor domain in this case. So I think I can do like this. Here I can choose the country where I want to do my competitor research, and now I just need to click on Analyze. Let's give it some seconds, and now I have all my competitor data. So I can see how it's doing in the SERPs, I can see organic traffic, I can see some other data, not only US, but even in other countries if I want. But here I can see all the keywords my competitor is ranking on. So this is a low authority domain. So as long as you have a highest authority, for example, but even if it's the same, you can go here, view detail report, and you can see all the organic keywords your competitor is ranking on. So now I can, in this case, filter these keywords for difficulty, for example. So let's say I want to see only the easiest ones. I can go here on difficulty and choose between 0 to, let's say, 19. Okay, apply filters. And now I have a list of keywords this low authority domain is ranking on. I can see the keyword difficulty and sort it by the easiest ones. For example, I can sort by search volume. This site is ranking, for example, in position 19 for this keyword, Italy grocery store near me. This is a localized one, maybe not the best, but let's say it's ranking number 47 for is France in Italy, or it's ranking 41 for is Italy in France. I don't know why people is searching this kind of things, but this is just an example. For example, it's ranking number 2 for this keyword, Italy for teens, a really easy keyword. So if you have a travel site, maybe a travel to Italy site, again, this is just an example. You can do it in any niche, in any with any of your competitors. It's an easy one based on this keyword difficulty, and here they are using the quality of the top 10 organic search, the quality of their link profiles, and so on. It's quite a standard way to define keyword difficulty, but this keyword, for example, has 880 searches, monthly searches, and they are ranking number 2. So, because this is a low authority site, if you maybe have a site with a higher authority than 9, and we saw it in the other page, you can easily, I think, steal this position, for example. Maybe in this case, I see this is the exact URL, so Italy with teens. It's not exact, this is Italy with teens and this is Italy for teens. So maybe you can write an article about this by going and see how this SERP is, who is ranking, what is the search intent. But this is a very interesting way to find keywords you can steal from your competitors. Maybe there is something else. Here they are ranking number 20 for this one, Salute Italian. I don't know what they mean exactly with this keyword. This is number 6, calls to Italy. Well, again, these are quite all easy to rank keywords. If you write an article better than this one, maybe more on point than these ones, and maybe you have a slightly higher domain authority, you can find some real gems. And this is another way in how you can find good keywords, by stealing them from your competitors, but not all your competitors, maybe just the weakest ones. You can also here sort by position, so you can see where they are ranking very high in the first page. Here, for example, these are quite low in search volume, but anyway, these are all easy to rank a keyword. They have a low authority domain, so you can maybe steal their position even in this one, and these are all keyword ranking in the first page. So again, you can use, if you want, something like LowFruits. Here you will find very easily this kind of weakest position to start this research, or maybe you already know who your weakest competitors are, so you don't need this. Anyway, I suggest you to try LowFruits because you can try it for free without a credit card. Then you go searching in the SERP, or maybe you can start from the SERP, identify your weakest competitors, and then with a tool like SE ranking you can see all your competitors' data. This is just an example on what you can do with SE ranking. Again, this is a very cheap tool. Here you can try it for 14 days for free without credit card, even here, and then you can, if you want, activate a very cheap plan, so you can start doing some real and serious SEO with SE ranking. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and please, if you like this kind of videos, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, again it's free, and if you want, share it with your friends, or if you like the tools I talk about here on Digital Toolcase, please use my affiliate links that you find below all my videos. This will not cost you anything more, and you will help me to grow again my channel and make many more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in another video.